there, my friends and fellow modelers. So, I thought I'd just show you this real quick. So here is what I have so far. And it actually turned out pretty damn good just using paint, but I want to get this a little bit better, a little more realistic. Because what I'm going for is this is a crashed gasser that caught on fire and then it was abandoned. Well, not really abandoned, but it was stuck in the guy's backyard and he doesn't want to mess with it. So, that's what I'm going to do. And I should say, if you guys are going to try this, please, please, please do it in a place that's safe, that you can easily put the flames out. I'm actually doing it in the bathroom in my shop. It is a man-only bathroom. I've got access to water, and I have a fan up above. So I'm going to actually go ahead and light this on fire. That's what I'm looking for. And we're going to stick this underneath here. Kind of give it around here. Might work, because I know this black soot can get on everything. Not that I've ever burned plastic before. Let's see, is it really doing anything? I think so. Can't quite tell though. Let's try it again. Okay, so I wasn't sure if this was working or not, so I took this white NASCAR body that I have and I did it over that and check out the results. Let's see if it comes off. I don't, and it does. So you can actually wash this off pretty easy if you wanted to.